Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The President of Turkmenistan received the Executive Director of the Turkmenistan USA Business Council. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the Executive Director of the Turkmenistan USA Business Council, Eric Stewart. During the meeting, priority issues of bilateral interaction were discussed, as well as the desire of US business circles to further develop productive ties with Turkmenistan, which has solid economic potential. During the meeting, it was emphasized that Turkmenistan attaches great importance to the development of relations with the United States on the principles of mutual respect and trust. Noting the contribution of American companies to the effective use of the economic opportunities of our country, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov stated that for many years, such large American companies as Boeing, General Electric, John Deere, Case New Holland have been implementing important projects in Turkmenistan. Large US companies successfully operate in the Turkmen market in strategically important sectors. More and more representatives of American business circles are showing interest in interaction with Turkmenistan. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov participated in the traditional mass bike ride. With the participation of President Serdar Berdimuhamedov, a mass bike ride dedicated to World Health Day was held in the capital. In our country, this date fixed in the national calendar is celebrated annually widely and with great enthusiasm, being evidence of the Turkmen people's commitment to the principles of a healthy and active lifestyle. In the era of the revival of a new epoch of a powerful state in Turkmenistan, constant attention is paid to these issues. One of the sightseeing attractions of Ashgabat is the Universal Olympic Village. On its territory, there are a number of specialized sports complexes, the arenas of which have repeatedly hosted major international competitions with great success. These include the 5th Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games in 2017, the World Weightlifting Championships in 2018, the World Kurash Wrestling Championships, and the Central Asian Team Tennis Championships among young athletes in the age category up to 12 years in 2023. In recent years, winter sports have received a new impetus in development in our country. Thus, on April 15th to 20, Ashgabat will host the International Hockey Tournament. Preparations for it are carried out on the basis of the relevant decree of the head of state. The official visit of the chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan to Tajikistan. The chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan visited Tajikistan. During the visit, a meeting was held between the national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Halk Maslahati Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, and the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emeli Rahmon, at the government residence. In the course of the official visit, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, the national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati, also had a meeting with the Prime Minister of the Republic of Tajikistan, Kohir Rasulzoda. Furthermore, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, the national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati, met with Mahmud Toer Zokirzoda, the chairman of the Majlisi Namoyan Dagon of the Majlisi Oli of Tajikistan. Additionally, during his official visit to Dushanbe, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, the national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, met with Rustam Emomali, the chairman of the Majlisi Mili of the Majlisi Oli Parliament of the Republic of Tajikistan. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.